think the biggest win has been the confidence that it has given me in working with the clients and recommending, advising them on the course of action that they need to take. My name is Rudresh. I work as a senior solutions architect at Plivo, which is a global CPaaS company. WebRTC is a very big part of what we do here. A lot of our clients um, come to Plivo for using the WebRTC part of our offering. And a lot of times, my job is to kind of advise the clients on what is the best way forward, what should they be thinking about when they use WebRTC. And while standard documentation, etc., can do the job a lot of times. I felt like there were a lot of times where the clients needed a lot of details. There were a lot of those questions which I personally thought that, it would be good if I knew the details and I could answer a lot more confidently. So that's what prompted me to kind of dig deeper. And I found this was the best resource available. I think straight away the first major advantage is that I'm a lot more confident when I'm speaking to um, you know our WebRTC clients, and we get clients who are you know not using WebRTC just in a usual way, like they're using WebRTC with IoT devices and stuff like that. And I'm a lot more confident, um, in discussing with our clients, especially those who are WebRTC architects. So it builds that kind of a rapport, even when I'm kind of discussing non-Levo stuff with them, just to do with the WebRTC. It really has given me a lot of confidence to have those conversations at that level of depth, and sound very convincing, I guess. So that's been one of the major differences. WebRTC can be daunting, right? I mean, there's a lot of material available on the internet, but it's very unorganized. So I think first reason is that Sai has managed to organize a lot of material in a stepwise manner. It gets you to around like 70 to 80% of the useful material on the internet in one place. So it saves a lot of time. Secondly, technical details that it covered. That was another one of my um, requirements, that I needed to go into the very detailed technical level because my background is in software engineering. So I wanted to understand the technical details. So that was the second part. And finally, I think the additional material that it's got, I think that makes it really interesting because you have these videos and the normal course material, but on top of it, you've got links to all these blogs and um, other material where you can go deeper than even the course if you want, if you wish to. I do think it's worth joining, purely because the amount of knowledge you get in WebArt is in depth. The course is such that you can do it at your own pace, and it is nicely chunked in different sections where you don't necessarily need to kind of be in a flow and keep doing it in a single flow. Financially, it is a bit expensive, but I kind of am in an environment where WebRTC is going to give me the right kind of credentials to kind of grow further in my career. So I think financially it's a good investment. I would definitely recommend it to people who are already working in a similar industry. It's like the more details you understand, the more confident you are. Most importantly, you'll understand why things are the way they are, why there are different architectures, why these architectures have evolved in this way, which types of use cases they are answering. So that's very important. I'm just much more confident about my answers now.